If you are looking for a North Vietnam trip to Sapa, Ninh Binh, and top Hanoi street foods, this video is for you. Let's begin.
We took a grab ride to the city and check-in Hotel Terrace, a 4 stars rating. It is a superior room and served with a welcome drinks.
Let's explore the foods. The first stop was at Bun Cha Ta, top Hanoi Michelin Award restaurant. It was crowded, but waited less than 15 minutes for a seat, and we ordered their signature foods, minced pork bun cha, fried spring rolls, and was served less than 10 minutes.
If you like coffee, then just a few minutes walk from Bung Cha restaurant reached Coffee Jang. Beside the famous egg coffee, there are other drinks and pastry. It is tourists' popular place for a cup of drinks for the history and the culture of coffee.
We arrived 1 hour plus before the departure time. We bought a VIP cabin ticket for a night ride. It would take 7 hours to reach the destination of Lao Cai. I think overall, it was better than taking a sleeper bus, as we experienced with the return trip.
We choose a hotel at a quiet village instead of Sapa town, with a balcony, a rice paddy view, and for photography opportunity. Both hotels were spacious with large beds and very clean room with nice balcony, and the shower room was good. Especially at Sapa Homestay, the owner cooked very delicious food eating with them.
We opted for the trekking of village and waterfall. Trekking through the rice paddy fields of the valley can be quite challenging. Need more extra stop in the forest, passing through the bamboo forest.
It was a spectacular view, seeing the water flowing down the mountain.
They serve local Sapa and Vietnamese foods. The foods was good and with fresh vegetables. It was a nice, relaxed place for meals.
The Sapa trip is depending on your decision, and the weather play a big part when you go.
Cheer was cool, and they opened from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. The buffet was good, and varieties of foods from meat, noodles, seafood, pasta, pizza, and dessert. The hotel was a bit old, and it was okay for us. There are many better hotels in this town.
Trang An Boat Cruise is a UNESCO World Heritage Site experience at Ninh Binh. It did not stop at the temple that day due to water level of rain.
Phi Ding Pagoda is another place to see in Ding Ming. At the final stop at Pagoda Top, you could see nice scenery of the village.